In celebration of Constitution Day, members of YSU's Moot Court brushed up on their lawyering skills. Members of the team argued a hypothetical case about whether a law professor's First and Fourth Amendment rights were violated when he was prosecuted based on evidence obtained from an internet chat room. Each member made their case in front of a panel of judges and had only a few minutes to make their point.
This court today to overturn the rulings of the 14th Circuit Court of Appeals for two reasons. The first being that my client, Chester Comerford, exhibited a subjective expectation of privacy in his chat room conversations, and to which society is willing to deem reasonable. The second being that the officers in this case did not rely on good faith in obtaining and accessing my client's personal information.
This is the May it please the court. My name is Kayla Schindler. I and my co-counsel, Mr. Travis Watson, rise on behalf of the United States government. We ask this court to uphold the ruling of the 14th Circuit Court of Appeals for two reasons. One, the petitioner's actions constitute a true threat under this court's standards, and two, he monitored and facilitated the violence under his chat room.
Attorney and YSU professor Ron Slipsky said the event served as a trial run for the Moot Court's national competition. He was pleased with the group's effort overall.
Two of them, it's the first time they've ever attempted this, and I thought in light of that they did outstanding, and the other two are well on their way.
Travis Watson will one day use his experience on Moot Court when he becomes a lawyer. Already, Watson is placed in the top 16 in the nation with his team and has written the top third brief in the nation.
Dr. Strasic recruited me for Moot Court. My freshman year, he taught me, he had me in Law and Society, and he suggested it as something that, is an enjoyable academic exercise. And so I joined it my sophomore year and had some pretty significant success at it, so I've just kind of kept on doing it. I do want to be a lawyer one day, so it's a good exercise, and I did debate in high school, so it was kind of a real natural transition.